Well, we've had some fun riding around on the Genuine Motorcycle Company G400C down here in the Metroparks. We've shot some video with some passes of the camera. This is the most beautiful day we're ever going to see for December 2nd. Some 60 degrees out here in bright sunshine. That has led to very, very crowded roads, so we've not been able to wring its neck exactly the way we usually like to. But it has been a lot of fun. My only complaint so far with the bike is I can't seem to find neutral all the time. I'm having a difficulty finding neutral, but that's probably mostly just me getting to know the motorcycle. As far as comfort goes, yeah, after riding it for about 30-45 minutes, I still feel great. I don't feel like there's any problems with the comfort. Power delivery is excellent. Clearly, it does not want you to do too much of a wheelie. I can get the front wheel about 7 inches off the ground, and then it tells me, no, not so much for you. So something's definitely limiting the ability for it to keep the wheel in the air other than just power. So I think if it was allowed to keep doing what it wanted to do, we'd be able to keep the wheel in the air a lot longer. But for now, little 6-inch wheelie, front end comes right back down again. Other than that, everything else on the bike has worked great. It's run out fine, holds the lines just fine, transitions from left to right really nicely. It's a lightweight bike, and it really does give you a good feeling on the road. I don't think I have any complaint so far with the way the bike handles, and I definitely don't have any complaint with its 0 to 60 right off the line. It is very generous. That 9,000 RPM is absolutely attainable and not even out of the question. It does feel fine at those RPMs. Not hearing any strange mechanical noises. We're going to be going a little bit easy on the bike during break-in until we probably get something like 500 or 600 miles on the machine. But so far, I'm very happy with it. We will keep you posted, we will keep you updated, and remember at Cleveland Moto, we want you to ride fast, take chances.